Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I wanted to take a little time to appreciate and revisit the recent iconic Barbie collab that I joined, along with Smartdoll Sewing with Jo, Magical Girl Kit Kat Gaming, and of course, My Lady Disdain. We took inspiration from iconic Barbie dolls and reimagined their outfits for the much larger Smartdolls. We each had such fun working on our outfits, and I was just blown away by their finished work. I enjoyed getting to know them all a bit better and decided I wanted to pay homage to their projects by painting a little detail from each of the Barbie dolls they worked from: a shiny satin bow, a puffed sleeve, a sequined swirl. I drew a digital sketch of each one to familiarize myself with them more, then moved on to gouache paint for a practical painting. I really enjoyed painting these. I particularly had fun painting the beads and sequins on Sandy's swirl detail. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I certainly enjoyed getting my paints out again. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!